This is lesson 19, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, there we go.
There's 14 questions.
Yep.
That's not too bad.
What you guys get on 3? I put the third one.
Yeah, the third one.
And then on 4, I put the third one. And I know that was true.
1 second.
Wait. How'd you guys do that so fast?
Well, on 3 and 4?
Brigham are smart.
Well, really, it's just like number 3 is
Oh,
all of them say independent, and the first one's always going to be it is independent, and the second's not. So
that makes sense.
and then on 4, I just remembered that from the stuff I did.
Yeah, that's from the book.
Yeah, something like that.
It's the second one?
No,
it's the third one. On 4, it's the third one.
Okay. Number 2 was the second one, or number 3 was the second one, correct?
No, number 3 is the third one too.
Okay, that's what I thought. I just double checking.
Yeah, it's all good.
So the correct choice for degrees of freedom, that would be 3 times 1, 3.
3 times.
No, sorry, 2 times 1, 2.
Well, it's,
right?
Yeah.
It's 2 because there is the row. There is 2 row, and there is 3.
It's going to be 3, isn't it?
No, 2 row and 3 column. If
Aren't there
you
4 columns? Oh yeah. No, never mind. Sorry, I included that last part. So just 2, yeah.
Because the column are like this. And
so it was what, 2 times 3?
No, 2 times 1.
So it's like the number of rows minus 1. And since there's 2 rows, the female and male, it's going to be like 1 times the number of rows. And there's 3 rows. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So it's like 1 times 2.
Okay.
I forgot, what are the requirements for an x squared?
I just know that every single one of the things has to be greater than or equal to 5.
Oh.
Okay, wait.
Is that expected?
But I don't know what it means by it. Huh?
So number 6, you have to actually do it because you can do it on Excel. So basically what you do is open the Excel, the categorical data analysis, and then go on and then put all the numbers in of the put all the numbers in. Oh my gosh, dog, you're killing me.
Okay, it's under the chi-square chart. Is that correct? Is that the one we're using?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
You have to put in the number, so I put them again.
Yeah.
It says each expected count must be greater than or equal to 5. So it's the expected is the requirement.
Yeah.
Which one is it? Did you say?
It's the first one.
Yeah.
Because you can see that the counts are greater than 5.
What does it mean, expected counts?
I can't remember. So the expected count was counts are traditionally arranged in a table. Blah blah blah.
So this is what it says. When we have
I think
observed,
the expected counts, it means expected count.
Is that your alarm?
okay, so this is what the book says. It says when we have our observed counts on hand, software will calculate the counts we should expect to see if they were connected. If the null hypothesis is true, we call these the expected counts. So the requirement is expected counts, and the only way to do that is through software that tries to prove our null hypothesis true. Does that make sense, Brigham?
Yeah, it does. But like the answer we put, there are at least 5 expected counts in each cell. Like I have 400 and 600.
Yeah, that's the requirement. The requirement says you must use SRS to obtain a sample from a single population, and 2, each expected counts must be greater than or equal to 5.
Okay.
So just like for the paired and the inference for 2 proportion, the requirement was that you had to have N1 by P hat 1 greater than 10. Now it's 5.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. That's what I thought, but I just wasn't super sure because it was such a big gap.
What's the test statistic?
It's the Z.
I got 16.204.
Let me see what I got. Yeah, 16.204. You have to put it in Excel to know it.
Hey, what did you get for the p-value, Carmela?
What did you get?
I asked you first. Just joking. I got 0.0003.
How did you find that? Because in my Excel, I have 0.0028.
Really?
Yeah. What do you have?
No, I think yours is right. I really do think yours is right because on the homework thing, I put mine in, and it even gave me a different degrees of freedom. But I have everything in right. But for some reason, my p-value always comes out stupid.
Sounds like a personal problem.
So can I ask if somebody can put the p-value 0.003?
Yeah, here, let me put in the data. I haven't done it yet. I'll give you guys another opinion or another.
What time's your class at?
What do you guys think for the title as kneeling at the NFL, a sign of respect?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that is good.
Should I put a comma or just kneeling at the NFL, a sign of respect?
A sign of disrespect, maybe.
Let's think on the positive over the negative.
Yeah.
200, 150, 50.
So do you guys want it at a question or just a title, like kneeling at the NFL, a sign of respect?
You could even put just kneeling at the NFL. Because that's pretty clear. Like anybody who knows about the issue, or even that don't, like.
Yeah.
It's kind of.
I got a p-value of 0.0002.
What the flip? How did you get a 2?
I know.
I got a 0.0003.
All right, wait, I did it wrong.
Ah, there we go.
Well, wait.
0.0003. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
But why do I have 0.0028?
The values you should have put in column 1 are 250 and 200. Column 2 is 300 and 150, and column 3 is 50 and 50.
But okay, wait. So do we also modify that? Doesn't it do it on its own?
What do you mean? The p-value?
No, so row 1 is 250, 350, right?
No, it's 250 and 200. Oh, row 1, yeah. 250, 350. And
Wait,
then
do
row
I
2.
have to copy it the same way as is the one on the computer? I mean, on the.
Here, show your screen with us. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, show us your screen.
My class starts at 11:30, by the way.
Ah, you're golden.
I still have to walk. But yeah, I'm fine.
Oh, can you guys see this?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
see that.
Oh, I know what I did wrong. I'm so stupid. I put this.
Oh, you put the total in?
Yeah, I'm so stupid. I just saw
No,
that.
You're the smartest one out of all of us.
All right.
There we go.
All right. I mean, the answer is 0. So
Yeah,
all that
seriously.
work for nothing. All right. Which of the following statements best describes the outcome? There is sufficient evidence to suggest that the voting preferences are not independent. To suggest. Right? Is that right? Yeah.
Just
I think
check.
that's it.
No.
Can you guys give me 1 second?
Okay, give me 1 second too. Let me.
It's the first one or the second one. It's one of those two. I think it's the first one.
Okay, wait. Which one?
The first one.
Which question?
The one we're on. 9.
I think it's the first one also.
I put the first one because there is sufficient evidence, because it tells you in the book that the null hypothesis is not independent. So that's the one.
You know, it drives me crazy when they give us like all these things to put in the chart, and then like we have to put the numbers in one by one and stuff.
I hate that data that you download, the chiropractor that now you have to download.
Yeah,
It's all messed up. I don't get
Yeah.
it.
yeah,
And
it is
how
almost
am I gonna? And then what about if in the exam there's not like a chart like this? Shake my head.
Yeah, seriously, we have to put it in sideways, basically. It's just as fast putting it in from a graph.
If you open the like, did you guys download it? You download it. I don't even know how do you filter it.
I don't know.
What are we doing?
Just putting the information in.
Oh, I see. Sorry.
Better be
Yeah.
sorry.
I am terribly sorry.
Good.
Actually, I don't care too much.
Okay, I'm gonna submit this thing I wrote. We be comparing how students of the Southern Utah University and the Brigham Young University Idaho feel about NFL player kneeling at the games. We want to understand if students of these two campuses consider disrespectful or not. We'll be asking one question based survey at both campuses. We will select a simple random sample of students. We will use a two-proportion test.
Sounds great. 85.
Jeez, Billy, you're so concerned.
Okay, I have all my information in.
So it's each column will go in based on what the top says. Is that correct? Where it says wellness.
You know, I downloaded the thing, and then I saw that even if I were to copy and try to paste, that it'd have to go in sideways because they gave it to us by rows instead of columns.
Yeah, I noticed that too.
So I just copied it I just like went back and forth and put the numbers in. So I don't know. That's how I did it.
How'd you do it? Did you copy from the what?
Me?
Yeah.
Brigham? I just copied it from the quiz.
Yeah, me too, because I couldn't figure out the spreadsheet.
Yeah.
That was confusing.
Hey, he's asking more questions here. Says, are you conducting a study about or for a campus organization or department? No, right?
No, right.
Will your result be published or distributed beyond the classroom setting?
No.
What the heck? More question? Notice no more.
Honestly, if you actually started crying, I'd probably laugh.
So for question 10, I saw that all of the expected counts are greater than 5. So that would be true, correct?
Yeah.
I put true. That's right. Mhm.
Yeah, same here.
For degrees of freedom, I got 8.
Me too.
So,
Yeah, that's right.
and the statistic. For the test statistic, I got 7.436.
That is not what I got.
What'd you
I
get?
got 7.770. Maybe I put something in wrong. Hey, read the categories to me if you would. Like column by column.
All right. 62, 84, 85, 61, 70, 97, 72, 75, 82, 64, 82, 111,
Okay, I see
142.
where I messed up.
Um,
I'm dyslexic a little bit, so I put 6284 instead of 6482. And then what was the column 5?
142, 170, 178.
Okay.
And for your
now
test
I
statistic,
I got 7.436.
now you're on my level.
Hey
There we
guys,
go.
where are you guys gonna stop the people at? Would you guys decide?
You could pull it up on the Google Doc.
I have it. Do you need that for a question?
Yeah, you guys don't remember where we decided at the food court?
Food court, library, gym, science building, and
Administration.
administration. Yeah.
He's on our level.
For p-value, I got 0.490.
Let me see what I got. Yeah, me too.
Nice.
Food court, library, science building.
Was it science or math?
Science, I think.
And
Yeah,
administration.
science.
And administration.
Did you get the gym too? There should be 5 locations.
How many people are we gonna stop?
10 from each, so 50 from each school, so 100 in total.
When?
Next week.
Never.
So nosy.
What you guys get on 14? I think it's the first or third, just because of the null and everything in 0.5.
I put the second.
What?
Well, the p-value is pretty big. It's larger than our
Yeah.
A.
Evident. They're
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's my bad. I
Wait.
thought it was 0.5 for some reason. Stupid. So you guys put the second?
Yeah.
You guys submit?
I'm going through it now. I'm always the first one.
Here, I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll take it.
I already pushed the button.
Good.
I got 100.
I got 100.
Okay, somehow I kind of missed a question. What was 6? Question 6?
The first one.
First
Oh,
one.
okay.
So and that's because the requirements for the chi-squared is
Yeah,
5.
okay.
And,
All right, now I remember. Okay, that makes sense.
and the only way we can figure that out is through the software.
Oh my gosh. There's like 6 more questions. Jesus, give me the patience.
Jesus, take the wheel. Take it from my hands.
Yeah.
I
Can you please
feel
type project?
alone.
Well, after this quiz,
Letting go.
you guys need to help me answer those 6 questions.
What are the 6 questions?
So we have to write a statement about,
How long does it have to be? Like a sentence?
like just answer all the question. So what the research is about, how much time the research would take, and how many questions the survey, who they might contact for question concern, whether the response would be anonymous, confidential, and both how. Okay, let's go one at a time. What is the research is about? Okay, some of you tell me what to type, and I'm just the typing person.
Okay. It's about protesting in the NFL.
The levelators taken care of.
Okay. Second question, how much time the research would take, or how many questions the survey contains?
Contains 1 question, and the survey will take a maximum of 30 seconds. Oh.
Easy.
I'm a little bit nervous that I'll ask somebody the question and they'll just like freak out about it and try to expound why and stuff, and then they'll be like, "Oh, you don't care. You just want a statistic." I'm like, you know.
Be like,
And
yeah,
that's where you
okay,
say,
I don't care. Give me your statistic. You don't understand.
that's where you
I'm
say,
black.
What is that?
I said nothing. Never mind.
Okay, are we done with the quiz?
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, go.
Are you good, Victoria?
All fine.
Okay.